Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best sink spray tap is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets I've come across recently. Tired of water splashing everywhere when you're washing dishes? Or maybe you just want more control over the water flow? Well, this rotatable, anti-splash tap is here to solve all your problems. In this video, we're diving deep into its features, testing its capabilities, and seeing if it lives up to the hype. Get ready to upgrade your sink experience. Number 5. Kitchen Faucet Sprayer Attachment, 360 degrees rotatable. This faucet attachment is made from high-quality PP plastic and stainless steel, making it durable and environmentally friendly. The swivel connector and adapter are made of solid brass metal, ensuring a longer product life and preventing leaks. The chrome finish complements most kitchen faucets. It features 3 adjustable water spray modes: Pulse, Pulse Plus Shower, and Shower, easily selected with a single button. The water output is soft and dense, preventing splashing while providing a high-pressure spray for effective cleaning. The kitchen sink faucet aerator swivels 360 degrees, offering flexibility and convenience. The stainless steel extender hose allows you to reach every corner of your sink. If your sink is shallow, you can use the head without the hose. This faucet booster head adjusts water from stream to spray, mixing air with water to increase pressure. This design saves energy and reduces water consumption, helping to protect the environment. It can save up to 30 to 70% of water compared to standard faucets. The package includes the sink faucet attachment, a brass male adapter, a 12 cm stainless steel hose with an aerator, and rubber gaskets. It's easy to install without any tools. If you have any issues, please contact us for professional service and warranty. What we like? This attachment offers a full 360-degree rotation, making it incredibly versatile. It also features multiple spray modes, allowing you to customize your water flow. If you're looking for a faucet attachment that combines flexibility with water efficiency, this is the one for you. This is perfect for anyone who wants to easily reach every corner of their sink while saving water. What people say. Easy to switch from single flow to single flow with shower, or the third mode, which is shower. Strong water flow. Was amazed as the holes in the filter piece are extremely small, which creates a stronger flow because of the water pressure. The extra benefit of different flow pressures makes washing pots and pans as well as other cooking and eating utensils much easier and much faster. Number 4. Hygie Rinse Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer Head. Tired of a broken sprayer? This replacement head is designed to fit most standard kitchen faucets, including brands like Delta, Moen, and Kohler. It's a simple solution to get your sink working like new again. Made with high-grade ABS plastic, this sprayer head is built to last. It resists scratches and stains, ensuring it will look great and perform reliably for years to come. You won't need to replace the whole assembly. This sprayer is designed for ease of use. With a single button, you can easily control the water flow with just your thumb. The focus spray pattern is perfect for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. The sleek chrome finish adds a modern touch to your kitchen. It's not only functional but also enhances the look of your sink area. It's a great addition to any kitchen. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. With the included components and guide, you can have it set up in minutes. Get yours today. What we like? This sprayer is designed with almost universal compatibility, fitting most OEM faucet side sprayer heads. It features a convenient one-thumb control for easy operation. If you have an existing faucet and need a reliable replacement, this is a great choice. Its durable construction ensures it will last for a long time. What people say. This sink sprayer works great and was super easy to put on. The water pressure is strong and it makes rinsing dishes or cleaning the sink a breeze. Installation was simple even without the instructions, and took all of 10 minutes to complete. Number 3. Universal Kitchen Sink Side Sprayer Replacement. This side sprayer is designed for wide compatibility. It features a standard 1/4-foot female thread, fitting most common faucets from brands like Moen, Kohler, and Delta. This makes it a versatile choice for various kitchen setups. The package includes quick connect side adapters for Moen faucets, as well as 1/4 and 3/8 barb connectors for Delta. These adapters ensure that it can meet most customer needs, providing a practical solution for your kitchen. It features a compact and lightweight design with a one-button control. You can easily dispense water with just your thumb. The high concentration nozzle delivers a focused spray pattern, making cleaning easier. The replacement set comes with all necessary parts. This includes the faucet sprayer, hose, holder, adapters, Teflon tape, and clips. It provides a complete solution for your kitchen faucet spray requirements. It features a precision-engineered chrome finish. This side sprayer combines functional excellence with a modern design. It's a good choice for enhancing the look of your kitchen sink. What we like. This product includes a quick connect side adapter for easy installation with Moen faucets. It also provides a focused spray pattern for effective cleaning. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-install solution, this is the one. It comes with everything you need, making it a convenient choice for any kitchen. What people say. It matched the brushed nickel on the faucet and was installed quickly. It shuts off where the original would not shut off once activated. Great product. With multiple installation options provided, it was extremely easy to install. Number 2. Universal Kitchen Sink Sprayer Set, Brushed Nickel. Introducing a versatile kitchen solution. This set is designed to enhance your sink's functionality. It's a convenient upgrade for your kitchen. The hose features a standard 1/4-foot female thread, making it compatible with many popular faucet brands. This ensures easy installation and a secure fit. It's designed for broad compatibility. The package includes quick connect side adapters. These adapters ensure compatibility with various faucet systems. Please refer to the installation guide for details. The sprayer features a one-button design for easy water dispensing. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for daily use. The high-concentration nozzle delivers a focused spray. The sprayer has a precision-engineered brushed nickel finish. This finish combines modern design with functional excellence. It's a stylish addition to your kitchen. This kitchen faucet spray replacement comes with all necessary parts. It includes the sprayer, hose, holder, adapters, tape, and clips. Choose this set for a complete solution. What we like. This model features a stylish brushed nickel finish, adding a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It also comes with a complete set, including all necessary parts for installation. If you appreciate aesthetics and ease of use, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want a functional and visually appealing upgrade. What people say. Rotatable and anti-splash. The tap is universal. The product works as advertised. Number 1. Hygie Rinse Kitchen Side Sprayer Head. Introducing the Hygie Rinse, a universal fit sink spray attachment. This kit includes everything you need for a quick and easy upgrade to your kitchen faucet. It's designed to make your kitchen tasks simpler. This sprayer head is compatible with Moen and Delta faucets. It comes with multiple adapters for a perfect fit. You don't have to worry about compatibility issues. The kit includes a connector, hose, and holder. The braided hose and side spray holder are included for easy installation. Everything is included to get you started right away. The hose fitting features a standard 1/4-foot female thread. This ensures a secure and leak-free connection. This feature makes it easy to connect to your existing setup. Installation is a breeze with the included braided hose and holder. The one-touch trigger action makes it simple to use. This makes it a convenient addition to your kitchen. The sprayer head and holder are made of durable ABS plastic. This protects the sprayer from scratches and stains. This ensures it will last for a long time. What we like. This attachment comes with multiple adapters, ensuring compatibility with various faucet types. It also includes a durable braided hose for long-lasting use. If you want a hassle-free installation and a reliable product, this is the one for you. It's designed for ease of use and long-term performance. What people say. It came with all the parts needed. There are 3 connectors for the hose to the water supply. I simply snapped the connector in, screwed the hose on, and it was done. Made from high-quality materials. Has a long braided hose that also comes with extra parts, to give you the option of connecting it to your existing hose for even more reach. My sprayer now reaches from the right side of my sink, to the far left side of my stove top, allowing me to fill my giant pressure cooker while it's on the stove, so no more carrying a heavy 3.5-gallon pot of water from the sink to the stove. Squeezing releasing the sprayer handle operates it normally, but pulling lifting the handle out keeps it on continuously. Twisting the sprayer tip end changes spray pattern from shower to aerated stream, and twisting the base, where it connects to the hose, controls the flow rate from high pressure flow to almost completely off. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.